Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect your speaker SVEN PS-950 with a cable. All you need to have is just to use a cable what you receive in the package. It looks like this, it's mini jack to mini jack. So right here on your speaker at the top we have a plug, just open it like here and connect it to mini jack port, and of course your phone should support mini jack also, or you can also connect it with a PC. So we just connect it, and right here we can see this headphones icon. It means that it's connecting. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!